Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your time more effective when you also have custom makeup on Dress Room Press. So custom makeup takes like another time, like another 1 minute off of your time on Dress Room Press. So what I suggest doing is to go to the makeup chair. Obviously create your style of makeup, whatever that is. So let's just say like this one. I'm gonna just delete the makeup, and then I'm just going to like create makeup here. Like real quick, and like the nose and stuff. It does take like longer than this. Obviously, I'm just trying to make this as fast as I can. For instance, this is the face that you want to save. Select this like icon and then press the plus button to save like the makeup. If you want to remove some, just press delete and press yes. I'm just gonna delete some that I don't want like use anymore. Like let's say this one I don't really use. Press yes. And so whenever you go to the makeup chair, you can just press on the makeup that you want like this, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.